I think I have some work to do because that lady is amazing. What a giving person. All right, we've got some storms coming in, right?
Yeah, and I have some good news. A lot of the severe warnings were just dropped and expired, so that is great news. It is showing signs of weakening, which we expected to happen, but as it was entering, it was packing some heat. Yeah. We got some damage reports out of Du Bois County right now, but thankfully you can see as that line, it packed a lot of red. It was really picking up speed. It's starting to fall apart. Our environment, we don't have enough energy to keep these storms going, so you can see the only place that currently has a severe thunderstorm warning in place is right over Bedford, where they're still seeing the heavy downpours and some frequent lightning. So let's go ahead and zoom on into the one area that has that severe thunderstorm warning in place. That's until 11:45 p.m. You can see over Mitchell, Bedford, a lot of heavy rain, potentially also some hail in this thunderstorm, and a lot of lightning. Thankfully, we're not really seeing any rotation in this storm, but Brownstown, Seymour, Crothersville, and North Vernon, you have a thunderstorm that's heading your way. We're going to have to watch if they continue to extend that warning. I'll let you know if that happens. But thankfully to the south, it's starting to fall apart, so it's not packing as high of wind gusts over Crawford County right now, but it is still seeing a lot of rain. So I want to step off and show you the track on this storm. Over Louisville, we're expecting it around midnight, so in about 45 minutes to about an hour and a half, we'll start to hear the heavy rain, and definitely the lightning might wake up a few people, but hopefully it continues on that weakening track, which it is, so we might not even see a severe thunderstorm warning issued for Jefferson County. And it's straight line winds, so when we typically see rotation, it's usually when that red and green start to mix. This line has been behaving really well. It's lining up with one another, so we're not really seeing any rotation. If we start to see something happening, we'll let you know, but as of this point, it is more of a wind event and thankfully a weakening trend. We can even call this a rain event. Heavy downpours right now over Leavenworth. That's going to head towards Harrison County. So Corydon, in just about 20 to 30 minutes, you'll start to see the heavy downpours, but right now a lot of lightning. Now we did get some reports of some damage reported from the straight line wind damage. So we are seeing some wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, maybe around 40 as it heads its way towards Louisville. So don't be surprised if we get some power outages here, but I don't think it's going to be as widespread. Around E-Town, Hodgenville, if you live south of Radcliffe, you're missing out on the bulk of the severe storms or the stronger storms. That's going to remain to the north as it's on a direct east track. So really, this is all you're really going to see. Hodgenville, Sonora, E-Town, and Litchfield, you are in the clear from these storms. Now talking about the storm reports, I did mention Jasper County, Du Bois County over Jasper did get some roof damage, not roof damage, a tree fell on a power line. So we are getting some reports from this system. However, severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 3 o'clock tomorrow morning as this line continues to cross. They might start trimming that back as it crosses Jefferson County around midnight, but once it passes Jefferson County, we don't have to worry about any more severe weather with this system. So timing out that forecast model, it's pretty in line with it, maybe a little bit behind. I think around midnight, 1 o'clock, definitely showing signs of weakening, which is good. So mainly widespread rain, also a lot of lightning, maybe some strong wind gusts. We'll definitely keep our eyes on that radar for you. By the time we head towards 2 o'clock, I think it's just going to be widespread light showers. And then by the time we head towards 6 o'clock in the morning, this model wanting to show some spurts of some rain, well, you don't have to worry about anything severe. At 5 o'clock at the bus stop, that front will have already passed through, and in fact, it is going to be just wet out there. So thankfully, no severe weather threat tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock, just some rain. And then that front will push through into the afternoon along with that energy. By the time we head towards the afternoon, we're going to have increasing sunshine, temperatures getting back into the 60s behind that system. We are 80 today, and typically when we're 80 in springtime, in the month of April, you can bet that we'll have severe storms, which is what we're seeing right now. Thankfully, we're going to cool off this weekend. 60-degree weather, beautiful sunshine for Thunder over Louisville on Saturday. I'll be here throughout the night tracking those storms, and I'll let you know if something becomes concerning.